In this video, we're going to show you how to install roof rack cross members on a Toyota Sienna located on the roof. So once you open up the cross members for the roof rack, you're going to see an arrow. It says forward, and that's the direction of the engine compartment. So you want to put these all facing that way. And you're going to make sure that this part of it's undone on both sides. Take them completely off. Unbolt it. And take this piece out. Going to do that to the other side. So once again, with those arrows facing towards the engine compartment, you're going to take your cross member, put it right on your roof rack, and let it sit down just like that. Then you're going to take this piece that sits up underneath and one of the bolts. You're going to go to both sides. You do this side first. You're going to slide that right up. It goes like this on the roof rack, so you'll see the design. It's going to sit like that. So once you put it there, basically guide it right in. Put it right in that spot and start the bolt. These are going to crimp together, tighten it down, and we'll do the same on the other side. So now we're going to attach the driver's side the same way. Get it right up in there. Put the mounting bolt right through. Spin it down. Now before you really snug this side up, and if you didn't tighten the other side, you can adjust these arms on the rails. You can move them forward and tighten them up there, or you can move them back. Make sure they're pretty level and equal. Now you can snug them up. So both cross members work the same as the front and the rear. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.